Welcome to the Daily Forecast, June 29th, 2021. I'm Angie Lau, Editor-in-Chief of Forecast News, covering all things blockchain. Coming up, metaverse funds are becoming the latest hot topic in South Korea. A decentralized theme park prototype hits Hong Kong, and Forecast News continues its new series exploring China's big bet on blockchain. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. Well, metaverse funds are the hot new investment trend in South Korea, with the country's biggest asset management firms now scrambling to get in on the game. KB Asset Management leapt in first, launching their fund into this collective virtual shared world earlier this month. Samsung Asset Management followed just this week, and Mirae Asset Management could be next as it is considering an ETF.
그래서 이제 자본 메타버스에 많은 자본이 몰릴 거긴 한데 개인 투자자들이 그런 부분에 대해서 직접 선택하기가 어렵다 보니까 아마 전문가들을 통해서 운영할 수 있는 펀드를 만드는 것 같습니다.
The metaverse is where the virtual world meets the real world, with big names including Roblox and Naver's Zepeto. Both are included within the first two funds to launch, as are Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft, who all sell or are developing augmented reality devices. Global consulting firm PwC is predicting that the virtual and augmented reality economy, which the metaverse economy is based on, will grow from $46.4 billion in 2019 to $1.5 trillion by 2030. Speaking of virtual worlds, could a theme park exist in both a metaverse and in real life? Well, that's the idea behind a new decentralized theme park concept that has just opened its doors inside Hong Kong's Ocean Park. And Forecast News' Lucas Caccioli was one of the first to see it. Children visiting can create avatars to explore a virtual world. It's just a prototype at the moment, but its developer, Immersive One, says it's not just for fun.
And we also can imagine that for kids, they can create their first NFT. Yeah, maybe at age 3 already.
Right,
and they can learn, they can learn the crypto economy. Yeah, that's the thing then.
That's very educational.
Yes.
It gets them ready for the financial system of the future.
Yes.
Instead of swapping coupons for throwaway prizes in the arcade, the younger generation could earn digital currencies as credits for food or even entrance tickets for their next visit to the park by playing games. And as the blockchain supporting the decentralized theme park is public, visitors may eventually be able to trade their avatars on the open market. Okay, on to the real markets now. Today, as of 4 p.m. Hong Kong local time, Bitcoin was down almost 0.25% at just under $35,000. That's as the hash rate fell to its lowest level since August 2019. Analysis from Glassnode suggests that the Bitcoin mining difficulty adjustment could actually get easier by as much as 25% at the next reset on July 3rd. And in the top 10 for cryptocurrencies, on a mixed day of trading, Polkadot is up almost 6% and Ethereum is up almost 4.5%. And finally, in part 2 of our special 3-part series out today, Blockchain in Asia Defining the Race, Forecast News, with support with the Judith Neilson Institute's Asian Stories Project, explores how China's vision for a digital currency of its own is actually spread throughout the region and beyond. The race is on to lead not just the region, but the world in the blockchain and digital currency space. And Charles Doci has been keeping a close eye on all of it. He's Asia Pacific Managing Director at ConsenSys, which is the enterprise arm that drives Ethereum use in the industry. His role is to help businesses and governments think about how to use blockchain. Doci says it's a race indeed, just not a sprint.
It's a marathon, and there is many different topics of CBDC. So we've seen through the COVID, Asia being hit first, but also recovering really fast. And we see on many other topics, such as CBDCs, Asia leading the way and building really the next generation of digital societies with CBDCs.
You can read part 2 of the series and see the full video report up now on forecast.news. And that's the daily forecast from our vantage point right here in Asia. For more, visit forecast.news. I'm Editor-in-Chief Angie Lau. Until the next time.